Monday morning, October 10th. Davis Auto Sales. Every day we come in, we seem to surprise our own selves with what pops up. If you follow along and watch, you'll hopefully see a video every day. If you don't see a video, or you see something in the background of a video and you want a video of it, shoot us a request. We do not always check YouTube. Send us an email anytime though, or give us a call. But this morning, this Daytona arrived. We've talked to this customer for quite a while now. He said he was going to part with it, and he finally did over the weekend. This is a 14,000 mile Magnum Hemi Daytona Edition. Some people hate that spoiler. It can be removed before you ask. Garage cap. Even this video is not going to do justice for this vehicle, but perfect, perfect, perfect. Completely stock. These trucks were super common to get all chopped up and modified and lowered, and exhaust and other stuff done. Garage cap. Completely original paint, original interior. Floors have been covered. Bed liners even covered with a bed mat. Paint protection on the paint. Completely 100% original Daytona SLT Ram Hemi sport truck. Thing I noticed walking around it, and this is being super critical, but right here, one little spot that could use touch-up or buffing. Not a noticeable mark anywhere else that I saw. Of course, I had a little dew on it this morning, but front bumpers are usually all spider webbed up. And there are a couple little bug splatter marks on there, but bumpers are perfect and crisp. No door dings. A beautiful truck. Factory 20-inch alloys. Dodge was one of the first to have the 20-inch wheels common. Let's pop the hood and take a quick look. This will be on the website here very shortly. Just wanted to catch this video. First thing. Modification is the K&N air filter. They even got the security switch like a Viper, so if you want to leave the thing parked somewhere, you pull that key out. Don't know if that was a dealer added option or how that came, but see that on a lot of Vipers. It should come on a whole lot of the other Chrysler cars, because damn if they don't get stolen. Like a top, nice quiet motor. We call this a Hemi, so this is not the 70s model Hemi, but it is cool because it is center valve cover spark plug hole, just like the old school Hemis were. She is a clean machine. No apologies on this unit anywhere. Hopefully somebody will find a garage spot for it just like it came from, and appreciate it as much as it has been taken care of to this point. Thanks for watching. If any of our other vehicles suit your fancy, just give us a ring. Let us know what we can do to help.